of our videos, we are discussing about the exam strategies, topper strategies. Means what exactly the strategies are followed by the toppers to score best marks and why they are toppers. So in one of our video, we discussed what type of mistake the students do and how to avoid. I also explained the 10 seconds golden rule to avoid the mistakes. But what exactly we mean by silly mistakes? Means when we do avoid silly mistake. So what exactly we mean by silly mistake? So here, this is one best example we can say for silly mistake. So just take one simple example here. The question is add 36 and 49. We have to just add 36 and 49. So here the expected answer is 85. Means 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 is carryover, and so 1 plus 3 plus 4 we get 85. But in hurry, in that exam stress or the stress created by that exam hall, what the students do is while adding this 36 plus 49, 6 plus 9, yes, they make it 15, they write 5, but instead of adding 1 in the tens digit, they only add 3 and 4 and they write 7. So instead of 85, they write answer 75. Let's check one more similar type of silly mistake. Now here is one simple multiplication sum. 48 into 2. So the expected answer is 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. So here the expected answer is 96. But again what the students do? 48 into 2, what they do? 2 8s are 16 they write, and 2 4s are 8. Instead of adding 1, they only write 8 in tens digit. So instead of 96, they write 86. And this happens unknowingly. They don't even know that they are doing mistake while solving. So in spite of knowing everything, in spite of having the capacity of scoring full marks, still the students lose marks because of such silly mistake. Now let's say the combination of these two mistakes. Now here is one multiplication sum. 49 into 27. So how we multiply 49 into 27? We have to follow two steps. So first 49 is multiplied by 7 and the answer is 343. Then we multiply 49 by 2 and answer is 98, and we put here 0 in the units place. Here the expected answer is 1323. Means we add 3, 4 plus 8, 12. 1 goes to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 3 plus 9 we get 13. So here the expected answer is 1323. Again here what the students do is while multiplying, yes, they do all the steps in the correct manner. Means 49 into 27. They write 343. They write 980. But while doing the last addition, they write 3, 4 plus 8, 2. But 3 plus 9, they directly write 12 and they forget to take 1 which is to be added in the hundreds place. So this is how the students do silly mistake. If you want to know few more examples of the silly mistake, just type silly mistakes in the comment box. We will definitely come forward with few more examples where exactly the students do silly mistakes in their exam and lose marks. So follow our videos, try to understand what exactly the mistakes you do. Don't lose your precious marks when you know everything. Just solve properly. Don't forget to follow the 10 seconds law and watch all the videos which are based on the exam strategies. And nobody can stop you from becoming topper of the class. So my dear students, hope this video was quite helpful to you. So share this helpful video among your friends, and to get the updates of such interesting and helpful videos, subscribe our channel VrushuRaj Classes. Thank you so much for watching this video.